completely gutted the interior for the most part. We have taken out the seats, the headliner, and the carpet. Now all that is left to do for the interior is to take out the door panels. So we did an experiment. We used some of this spray paint, which is custom car spray paint. And we sanded the dashboard and we sprayed it. We didn't clean it and it left bubbles. So, and it's also not quite the right color I wanted. I wanted it to be a little bit more orange. We're gonna have to spray it with the rest of the car. So this video will be slightly different. We are doing more of a, I guess, talking video where there's less time lapses and less music.
It's a different video format than we've been using in the past 3 episodes, but we are still gonna put in cinematography, which I like doing. Cinematic shots of the vehicle and what we have accomplished so far.
Hello and welcome to the 4th episode of restoring my 1972 SuperBeetle. And we have gotten pretty far along in the restoring process. It's the fun part right now. It is destroying it. And then after we get done stripping everything out of it, we will be able to put it back together. It ain't got the seals in it, so it's hard to get in and out.
Gross.
I found 3 pennies, I'm rich! So now I'm going to attempt to take out the door panels. We're gonna see how it goes. I know that around it has clips in it, but I'm not for sure how to get out the window opener, whatever you call it. The door handle and both of the door handles.
I do.
You do know how to?
Yeah. You didn't know that?
Okay, we'll see.
Okay. So this handle right here is actually connected to this, because if you look in there, you could actually see a screw. So this comes off that. I'm not too sure about this, the handle. I don't think that comes off with it. I think you have to take this off separately. Same with this. Of course you got to take this off separately, but I don't know how to do that. Don't want to break it.
So this part is a cover, and it reveals a screw.
So that's how you get it out. So you better be glad we didn't break it.
That's too big of a screwdriver.
You better be glad we didn't break it off, thinking that it could just slide off. Well, I knew there was a screw in there somewhere. I just didn't know that the rubber came off.
There we go.
You know what that's called, Destiny?
What?
That's called ignorance.
It's already popped out. I'm just gotta get that out. Does it come out with it?
Yeah, because there's screws right there.
Well, I know this does, but I'm talking about this. No.
We can't really use this anymore because that happened. What happened was that
It got stuck under the tire and it ripped off.
yeah, but Destiny thought it got stuck in the door at first.
Well, it did. It was on the inside. Closed the door on it, and then the wire was hanging out, and it got stuck under the tire. I have no idea how to get that out. I don't want to break it. I can slide that in there and pop that out. And there's the other screw.
Man, they have so much secret stuff in here. That's crazy.
It is, and it's all hidden. That way you don't have to see the screws.
There, oh. There you go. And now that whole door should just come right off.
Should, yes.
You gotta pull the opposite direction from the
Woohoo!
things. So that's what the door looks like with the thing off. Door liner. You can see where they have
Door panel.
well, door panel, but you see where they repainted over the red with the white. They didn't do a very good job. There's runs everywhere. Which that's actually, there's a, oh yeah.
Plastic.
I didn't notice that. So we're doing the second door now,
Should be a lot easier.
since we know how to do it. And should be a whole lot quicker too. There you go.
I wonder why the windshield wiper things look different.
Somebody might have replaced it. Try twisting it. The other way.
Oh, that pulls that up. Oh, there it goes.
There it goes.
See, they're different.
Yeah, I don't know what happened there. I think somebody replaced it, but I really don't know which one's the original.
That feels well. Oh, it's got insulation. I don't feel good.
Okay, we almost got the door out. Oh, I got it. That has a whole wall of plastic.
That other one, the plastic must have ripped.
Do you think you can replace the plastic?
I don't think it'll have to be replaced. You're not gonna see it anyway. So
No, but it's good for rust and mold and stuff, probably.
maybe.
I don't know either.
Lasted this long with the bad plastic.
I didn't get to film this, but my dad, he accidentally closed the garage door on the truck, kind of chipped all the paint off. He's gonna have to re-sand it and paint this part, sadly.
Now it's time to get the sun visors out. There's 2 screws up here on either side, so shouldn't be too hard.
No, it shouldn't, if you know what you're doing.
I certainly don't.
Yeah, let me get in there.
You fake it till you make it.
So you've been faking it the whole time.
Done.
Things off now. What are you doing with the tape?
Taking the screws off some visor. That way we don't lose them. That's the last thing we need to do is lose the parts.
I know, right? Life hack.
Sounds crunchy.
Sounds like snow.
It's one way to know they're old.
ASMR.
I can buy some.
Yeah, you can buy some more sun visors.
We'll see.
That one looks like it has more screws in it.
No. This is just holding it onto this wire.
Oh.
Still crunchy.
Yeah.
They're dry rotted.
That's gross.
It is gross. I might end up getting new sun visors. I can get sun visors out of a different vehicle though.
Yeah.
Go to the junkyard. Find some.
Take the screws up.
Well, it's pretty stuck on there. But the headliner goes underneath it, so it's gotta come off somehow.
It's dark in here. Oh! Something happened. Something happened.
Well, that's easy.
I think you just broke it, didn't you?
No.
Huh, that's weird. It's not even screwed in there. He took this out, the door panel thing. So we gotta do that same thing on that side. Garbage. Is it like felt or something?
The inside or the...
What you're pulling off now?
No, it's not felt.
Oh.
It's like leathery.
Yeah?
Whee. So these are parts of the dashboard. This is the glove box door. And these go beside the steering wheel. They're little vents. We painted them white, that way they'll pop off of the orangey yellow dashboard. So.
And we did that in between the episodes. I didn't get a chance to film it, so it's already done and gone. We painted it already. What are you doing? Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that.
This is the original sticker.
Yeah, y'all didn't want to paint over it.
No.
Keep its originality.
The max load for the vehicle is 735 pounds.
That is not that much.
No.
Compared to like a Chevy.
Capacity is 4.
Compared to like a Chevy Silverado truck where it could hold like 9,000.
So.
And 4, I thought it would be 5 because it's like a bench seat in the back.
Nope, it's only meant to hold 4. Those are ready to be put back in. While we was out over Alley's picking up some of the paint, I seen by the counter they had the socket wrenches, and there was a little tiny miniature one. I thought about buying it because I like miniature things.
But you didn't.
No. Well, I'll probably go back soon. I'm going to attempt to take this bar out. We'll see how it goes. Because to get the headliner back in, the bar will have to be out. There's also a washer there. Don't need to lose that. Wires attached. I guess we don't have to take it all the way out, just mainly. Thank you for watching this episode of me rebuilding my 1972 SuperBeetle. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And there's also a playlist on the Works YouTube channel of the previous episodes. So stay tuned for the next one, and we'll see y'all later. Bye. That's pretty close up. Like and subscribe. And also, what was that, Faye? What? Oh, there's 2 pennies. I found 3 pennies.
Ew, that's gross.
I'm rich.